Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I know you all are fit and fine and safe at your home. So, first of all, I wish you all a very happy Onam because today is Onam festival, right? And tomorrow is another one festival, that is Raksha Bandhan. Okay, so in advance, I wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Okay. Now let's continue with our preparatory video, what we have to learn in upcoming week. So before going to start, I just want to inform you one thing, that we are skipping lesson number 6, safety first. Okay, for first semester we are skipping lesson number 6, safety first. So after lesson number 5 we will continue with lesson number 7, that is soil erosion and conservation. Okay, so we will continue with our next chapter, that is soil erosion and conservation. Children, what is this? This is a plant. Okay. Now, first I will give you the introduction of soil erosion and conservation. So what is soil? Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth and it supports plants which provide food to all living things on this planet. So it is the foundation of all life on earth. Right? Soil erosion. Natural forces like wind, rain and running water help in soil formation, but they can harm the soil also. At places covered by natural vegetation, there is a balance between the formation of soil and the loss of the soil. So here is another one picture you can see on screen. Soil erosion. Often this balance is disturbed by human and natural forces. Then the topsoil is removed from the surface of the earth. The condition of wearing off or carrying away of soil by the action of water or wind is known as soil erosion. Running water can cause soil erosion also, right? Heavy rains causes floods. Flooded rivers and running water remove the top fertile layer of soil. Running water washes the soil off the hill slopes. This makes the slopes unfit for cultivation. Now here is another one picture of flooding. You can see on the screen. Okay. So wind cause soil erosion in desert and semi-desert region where strong wind blow, a lot of topsoil is carried away from one place to another. This affects the farmers because manure too is blown away. So quite often the roots of plant lose their soil cover and the plant die. You can see the picture on screen, one more soil erosion picture. One example is there. Human being causes soil erosion. Roots of trees and plants hold the soil together. Felling of trees or deforestation is a major cause of soil erosion. Deforestation means cutting down of trees in large number, यानी बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में पेड़ों का कटना, that is deforestation. When trees are cut down, the soil becomes loose and is easily carried away from one place to another place. You can see picture on the screen, deforestation, cutting down of trees in a large number, right? Now let's talk about soil conservation. Nature took millions of years to form soil. It is our responsibility to preserve and protect it. The protection of soil against erosion is called soil conservation. On flat, open grounds, after harvesting and before raising the next crop, field lie bare, means barren और खाली हो जाती है वो ज़मीन. This is when the wind blown off the top soil. To prevent this, farmer grow cover crops like grass, creepers, etc. Right? So roots of these plants can hold the soil. On hill slope, cutting the slope into steps or terrace can reduce soil erosion. Have you seen terrace garden pictures? Steps slow down the flow of water. Afforestation, growing trees can also help in soil conservation on hill slopes. Afforestation means बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में पेड़ पौधे को लगाना, that is afforestation. And deforestation means cutting down of trees in large number, right? On fields near river, during the monsoon, many rivers overflow and flood the fields. बाढ़ आ जाते हैं, है ना? To prevent floods, embankment along the river banks are built. This hold the water between the bank and prevent soil erosion. Embankment means आपने देखा होगा नदी के किनारे जो बाड़े बनाते हैं, that is embankment.